So today's video is gonna be cleaning my fridge. Badly need some help in organizing so I could find my stuff in here. Old stuff. My gosh, what did I do to my fridge? Come on, let's go. Need a paste. Kimchi. As you've seen, it's pretty bad. I've forgotten fruits and vegetables and expired stuff, so I throw all of them away. And I took everything out so I could wipe the shelves down. I used Dawn and hot water to clean the shelves. I got the inside cleaned up and put all the stuff back, so I don't have a lot of food or anything in my fridge because I tried not to buy a lot of stuff because it will just go bad. So I just buy what we can eat throughout the week, and I'll just go back to the store if we need some more. I also have a little help right here. You can see her head and tiny hands. And here's the final look, all tidied up and clean, ready for next deep clean time. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video.